The Sai Ball Salt Bath Cleanse. I had first developed this technique out of necessity to have something not only simple and effective, but empowering and relaxing. I do a lot of work healing other people and encountering spirits with ill intent and having to remove them. The combination of these things exposes me to more polluted energy than most individuals typically encounter daily. The more you use this technique, the more your control with energy will grow, as well as your awareness of when you are picking up pollution in your spiritual body. We can change our internal state by manipulating our subconscious mind through the language it understands: color, vibration, and frequency. This technique is a great way to wash off the struggle of a hard day or painful experience, but you have to allow yourself to have fun with it, and that is the key here. The method. You'll need two things: salt of any kind, though I prefer Himalayan pink salt, and a shower or bath. For a shower, the process is slightly different. Once the salt is charged, you'll rub it on a bar of soap and clean yourself with it in the shower. For a bath, the process is as follows, but charging the salt, the technique remains the same as with the shower. Get a handful of salt and place it in front of you. Now hold your hands out from side to side like you're holding a basketball. Make sure your hands are hovering over this pile of salt. Think of a happy memory that brings a smile to your face. Feel it and envision it as strongly as possible. Allow yourself to see violet purple building in your heart and simply picture it flowing from your heart down both arms and out your hands, funneling into a ball in between them. Sharply exhale from your nose and notice it growing stronger and bigger with each exhale. After about 20 breaths, simply cast the ball into the salt and gather it up and either lather it into the soap, or if you're having a bath, then throw it into the water once your bath is ready, or while it's filling up with the stopper blocked up. We don't want the salt dissolving in the water, then just going down the drain. Simply bathe in the salt or wash your body with the soap and notice how you feel for yourself once you are finished with your bath or shower. Namaste.